Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking all about the brand new permanent line of the Colourpop Lux Lip Oils. I love this formula, so I'm so happy to see them like have a permanent line of it now. So side note, I finally mounted my TV this past weekend, so it's finally out of the way in videos except for those ugly cords, but I just want to say I'm very proud of myself. Me and my boyfriend mounted this TV together and neither one of us knew how to do this at all, so I was very proud of myself, but I'm very happy that it's finally out of the background in my videos. Anyways, yes, so we're going to be talking all about the Lux Lip Oils today. We have 11 shades launching. Some of them are fan favorites, and we have 4 new shades as well. Have already launched. I'll go ahead and link them down below for you guys. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just KATRINA, and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. There are also some select shades available at Target as well. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to be doing some lip swatches, so I'll go ahead and insert that clip in a little bit. I'll put some arm swatches right here. They are lip oils, so they're very sheer, so I don't know how they're gonna look in arm swatches, but I'll do it anyway. I'll put them on the screen right here, but it says, introducing our permanent lineup of Lux Lip Oils featuring a lightweight texture that moisturizes lips without feeling sticky. Simply swipe and go. It's just that effortless look, you know. So there are 11 shades, 4 new ones. This is a nourishing formula with antioxidant-rich chamomile, calendula, I can never say that word, calendula oils and shea butter. You can wear them alone, paired with your favorite lippy pencil or over lipstick for the glossiest lips. And these are $10 each. I love the Lux Lip Oils. I wear Dewdrop, which this is in the lineup, but I've had this one before because it's like a fan favorite. It's just the clear one. I love this one to just wear at night on my lips. They're super hydrating. My favorite Lux Lip Oils have been the Rescue Kit, I think is what it's called. It's the Mandalorian one, the little duo, and I've gone through so many of those sets. I use them all the time. There's like a clear one with like a little bit of like a shimmer in it, and then there's a more like a just very everyday natural pinky kind of color, and I've used those for so long. Bengal is another one that I've used that's also one of the permanent ones now, so that's really exciting. But yeah, so there are 11 shades. Let me just go through them really quick. Dewdrop, this one is just a clear Lux Lip Oil. We have Skinny Dip, this one's like a very beigey nude. We have Smirk, which is a like rosy everyday pinky tone. Rain Check is a very like sheer, I would say this one's more sheer. It looks purple in like the component, but it's more of like that purple kind of iridescent tone to it. It goes on pretty sheer. Raspberry Mojito is another very sheer one with like a hint of a raspberry pink. Cherry Bite, another sheer, just kind of very sheer tone with like a very hint of like a cherry tone. Same thing for Fresh Peach, very sheer with like a hint of a peachy tone. Home By is actually a very interesting one. It is sheer, but it's like a pinky sheer, and then it has like this beautiful like duochrome iridescent peach tone to it. It looks so pretty on the lips when I swatched this one. It looked so nice. I love this one. Bengal is like a deep mauve-y rosy tone. This one has a little bit more color. These last 3 have a little bit more color, while the other ones are like very sheer. This one is like a perfect like tint. It just has like a little bit of a rosy mauve tone. Hot Shot is beautiful. Again, has a little bit more color than the other ones, but this one's like a brownie nude shade. This is perfect for every day. Lastly, we have Honey Kiss, and this one is so pretty. It looks really dark in the component. It is not this dark. I actually have this on right now with the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine Lip Liner. Perfect everyday lip combo. Just a little bit of lip liner, throw this on, and it just adds like the perfect amount of color. I had a feeling I would like this one, but I think this one's definitely my favorite of the bunch. Just, it looks like a very dark brown, but it kind of adds like just the right amount of neutral brown to the lips. I really like that one. Those are all of the shades. You guys are not new to my channel. You guys know I love a lip tint, a very sheer lip color, you know. I love those kind of products because I wear those on an everyday basis. A lip tint, lip butter, lip oil with like a hint of a tint is like my absolute favorite. I'm mentioning this a lot recently, but I'm so happy that Colourpop has been like focusing on really working and like solidifying their permanent line of products rather than a bunch of collabs or just collections, you know. So I really like that they've been focusing on more of their permanent line. I'm so happy that these ones are part of that line now because I love these. I'm gonna go ahead and insert those lip swatches right here, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts on all of them, but let's go ahead and get into those lip swatches.
I woke up in a haze this morning. 3 turns into, tonight turns into 2. Doesn't come right away. That comes when the morning hits. Like that shit doesn't come right away. Got me feeling like I gotta call you, tell you I'm sorry. I got a couple others tryna party. Tonight turns into 2.
So those are all of the lip swatches. I hope that those were helpful for you. I know that they are lip oils, so it's a little bit harder to know, like kind of tell the difference between all of them, especially in like arm swatches or even just in general. So I hope that like seeing it on the lips is a little bit more helpful. My favorites is definitely Honey Kiss. This is my favorite out of all of the 11. I do like Hot Shot. Bengal has been a favorite of mine for a while. If you just want a nice hydrating lip oil to just wear every day, especially at night, I like to put this on at night. Dewdrop is a very good one. It's just a clear lip oil and it really does hydrate the lips so well. I have chronically dry lips now. I don't know why. I've never had dry lips my whole life until maybe the last year. I don't know if that's just comes with age or what, but I have very dry lips now, so this at night is very, very nice. I also really liked Raspberry Mojito for just like a hint, tiny hint of color. I really like that one as well. Really good lip combo for sure is the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine and Honey Kiss lip oil. I think another, if you want like a Colourpop lip liner that would go good with this, BFF2 works with like literally everything, so I think that would be a really good lip combo. I was gonna wear it, but I literally can't find my lip liner right now, but yeah, that's definitely my favorite. So I'll go ahead and link everything down below for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite shade is, and if you picked any of these up, which ones did you guys grab? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.